Now today I'm going to do roasted eggplant in my toaster oven. I sliced up 2 small purple eggplants in about 1/2-inch slices. I sprinkled them all with salt and let them sit for 10 minutes. Then I rinsed them, drained them, and patted them dry. Now here's what I'm going to be brushing the slices with, but before I do anything else, I'm going to preheat my toaster oven to 400 degrees. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of powdered garlic, about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and a couple pinches of rosemary. I'm blending this all together with a fork. I'm going to add a tablespoon of rice vinegar, a teaspoon of honey, mixing again, placing the slices on a baking sheet, which I have lightly oiled. I'm brushing the slices. I'm popping the eggplant slices into the toaster oven, and I'm going to set the timer for 12 minutes. I'm just going to turn these pieces over. Brushing again. Sprinkling each piece with breadcrumbs. In this case, it's Panko. I'm popping the eggplant slices back into the toaster oven, and I'm going to set my timer for 10 minutes. What a great concentration of flavors. The eggplant flavor, the garlic, the breadcrumbs, the rosemary. Everything has melded together by the baking process. Very little oil used here. Eggplant recipe is so simple, like so many of the recipes in my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook, which you can buy anywhere. If you have a toaster oven, I highly recommend this. There's also guidelines in this cookbook helping you purchase a toaster oven.